Today I have a few stocks that we need to highlight as they've been in action due to some positive moves in the industry, and some of it are in action due to some caution that is required. So this is Frontier Springs Limited, manufacturing springs. These are the different models of the spring. Some have a very high what you call a strong sensation for heavy load, heavy weight. Another picture, the iron is really hot. Diameter spring, again different springs being manufactured. Current price is 4,597. 16% return in the last 5 days, 30% return in the last 1 month, 103% in the last 6 months, and 200% in the last 1 year. So the performance of this stock has been amazing, and we'll go through some details in the later part of the video. And this is the smart meter companies that will be bringing some information on these. There were 4 5 different stocks that are likely to have a good overall growth in the next 7 to 8 years. This is another smart meter, electric meter. Then this is Genius Power, one of the smart meter manufacturing companies. Then this is HPL Electric Power, another electric smart meter manufacturing company. Then third one is GMR Power and Urban Infra, also into smart meter manufacturing. Another logo of the same company. Then Salzar Electronics, also into the same kind of business, trending for a growth potential over a period of 7 to 8 years. This is the logo of the company. Then Adani Energy Solutions, also part of the Smart Solutions company. So logo, another logo. Yeah. Then last we'll go through and focus on Titagra rail systems. Seems like there's a drop in sales and drop in demand for the some of these railway stocks. So these are the engines and the wagons that are made for the Indian Railways specially. So this is the current price, 937 rupees. So 8% return value add in the last 5 days, 3% value add in the last 1 month, negative 15% in the last 6 months, and whooping 49% negative return in the last 1 year. So it's a cause of a concern. We'll go through the details. Okay. First of all, the Auto Ancillary Stock, which is Frontier Springs, is a small cap company engaged in manufacturing spring and components primarily for the railway and the engineering sectors, serving major government and private clients. Serves leading clients in the railways and the engineering sector. The company expects guidance of 116% net profit growth in FY27. Revenue guidance current 375 crores, target of 500 crores revenue in FY27. EBITDA margins around 21 to 22% expected. FY26 company is planned a total capex of 15 crores, including coil spring capacity, air spring development, and forging enhancements. Currently, the company has added about 100 crore uh, 100 crore additional orders in the last 2 months. So the current order book stands at 250 crores. The company has seen a steady flow of tenders from the Indian Railways, ranging from 100 to 150 crores on a regular basis, which is a good sign. Then the second points of discussion today, or second sector, is the smart meter sector. Stocks focus the industry is to surpass $1 billion. India's smart meter market is growing quickly with huge potential for investment and innovation. The market was worth about $288 million and is expected to grow 4 times by 2033 to approximate 1,000 million dollars. The CAGR annual growth rate is 15% from now till 2033. So Indian government is playing a big role in this growth with 97,631 crores allocated under the revamped distribution sector scheme RDSS for smart metering. Overall, the total opportunity for smart meters in India is around 20 billion, targeting 250 million meter installations. Smart meters are electronic devices used to measure electricity, gas, and water usage in real time. They allow two-way communication between the user and the utility companies, which helps in accurate billing, monitoring, and better control of usage. Smart electric meters send electricity using data directly to utility companies through a secure network. Smart gas meters help gas companies track consumption remotely and send accurate bills. India's smart gas meter uh, is expected to grow uh, from $130 million to $200 million by 2035, an approximate growth rate of 4% per annum. The stocks in focus: Genius Power, HPL Electric and Power, GMR Power and Urban Infra, Salsa Electronics and Adani Energy Solutions Limited. Then we have Titagra 1000 crore. Is it going to pass this price soon? The railway sector in India has witnessed remarkable growth with annual production soaring from 13,262 units to record 41,929 units in 2024-25, a threefold increase. The surge supports industries like coal, cement, and steel, enhancing freight efficiency and reducing logistics bottlenecks, with total production exceeding 102,000 wagons in the last 3 years. The order book has dipped from 25,333 crores to 24,526 crores, reflecting a marginal dip in fresh orders. The Q-on-Q decline could hint at slowing momentum, leaving investors cautiously optimistic yet slightly concerned about future growth visibility. Morgan Stanley reaffirmed its overweight with revised target of 1,090 from 1,300. Morgan Stanley flagged concerns over limited freight wheelset supply from the Indian Railways, which would drag uh, the company's earnings. Market share in the wagon manufacturing appears to have narrowed from 25-30% to 25% in Q4, while still significantly. The slight dip raises questions. It gives mixed signal for the investors, which seem to get puzzled from this. So, important disclaimer: the article cum information has been extracted from different resources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These views do not reflect personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So friends, thank you for watching. Wish you a happy week ahead, and we'll connect with another video soon. Please share this video with your friends, family and associates so they could also benefit from these different sector information here. So thank you for watching once again. Have a lovely week ahead. Take care. Good night. Bye bye.